This is the way to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. This is the way to Letterland. Come and follow me. We shall meet all our friends, all our friends, all our friends. We shall meet all our friends. Just you wait and see. Just you wait and see. Good morning, my dear students and respected parents. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So today I brought a very colorful and amazing class with a new alphabet. So you will see what we have. We have lot of things. So see, what is this? You like this now? Yes, you play with it. This is ball. This is ball. And see, what is this? This is also your usable thing. This is a bag. What is this? This is a bag. Huh? So, what is this? When you go to school, you take this for your use. What is this? This is bottle. This is bottle. This is bottle. This is bottle. So, when you go to school, you read this. Huh? What is this? This is book. This is book. This is book. See? This is book. Right? So, what we are going to do? We are going to learn about alphabet B. So, I have a new character of Letterland with me. This is a new character of Letterland. But first, before going to know about this new character, you will subscribe my channel. My channel name is Teacher Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School, and like my video, share my video, and then come back. Yes, first we will revise this one. What is this? Lastly, you learn about this. This is a first character of Letterland. This is an apple. What was that? Any apple. And what is the sound of any apple? A. What he says? Any apple says all the time? A. Right? So, you learn a sound of any apple. You learned a sound of any apple. Today, I have a new character of Letterland for you, specially for you, my dears. What is this? This is Bouncy Ben. This is Bouncy Ben. What he likes? He likes ball. He likes to play with a ball. Right? And he bounces the ball all the time like this. That's why his name is Bouncing Ben. What is his name? Bouncing Ben. And he wants to play all the time with ball and bounce his ball, and all the time, always he says, what he says? What he says? Okay, sing with me. Bouncy Ben says, "Ba in words, ba in words, ba in words." Bouncy Ben says, "Ba in words, it belongs to Mr. B." That's good. So you will sing all the time. Bouncy Ben says, "Ba in words, ba in words, ba in words." Bouncy Ben says, "Ba in words, it belongs to Mr. B." So this is the new character of Letterland. His name is Bouncy Ben. And Bouncy Ben says, "Ba." Bouncy Ben says, "Ba." See, it's a beautiful character, right? B, beautiful, And what is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. And B for ball, B for book, B for bottle, B for bag. So many things. We learn so many things from B sound, right? So today I want to give you a homework. What is your homework? Beta, children, you will look around you and you will find the pictures that starts from B sound, right? And you people will write letter or sound B on your copy also, right? So first I will tell you how you will write B sound on 4 lines. See? So first we will revise this sound. This is A. What sound is this? A. So you learned yesterday which character is this? This is Annie apple. And what is Annie apple says? Annie apple says all the time A. What is the new character which you learn now? This is Bouncy Bun, and Bouncy Bun always says B. When he bounces his ball, all the time he says B, B, B. So how you will write sound B on 4 lines? See, you will not use this last line, right? You will start from the first line. From the first line, count the lines. Always you have 4 lines on your copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? You will not use the last line for B sound. You will start from the first line and you will end on the 3rd line. See, start from the first line, make a straight line, then go up, go up, go up, and then take a turn and make a curve and join. This is B sound. Remember children, you will not pick up your pencil during you are writing. While you are writing, don't pick up your pencil, right? So, then you will get your correct formation. See, again, you will start from the first line. You will not use the last line. Start from this line, first line, make a straight line, right? Stop on the 3rd line. Then go up, take a turn, make a curve and join it. This is B sound. This is B sound. Thank you very much. So you will just revise with me a phonic poem. Okay, sing with me everyone with happy mood, smiley face. So, sing with me. Bouncy Bun says B in words, B in words, B in words. Bouncy Bun says B in words, it belongs to Mr. B. And what you learn? You learn lot of vocabulary words. Ball, B ball, B book, B bottle, B bag. So, you have to do your homework and you will write in a comment what you have to do for B sound. Right children? So, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. My channel name is Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School and my name is Teacher Nadia. Remember me in your prayer. Take care of your parents, yourself. Bye-bye.